my subscribers and viewers. How are you today? I hope all is okay. Alright, over here I have a piece of pork. I already washed and seasoned with my vinegar and lemon. Alright, so I season it. So I'm going to show you how I cook it. I'm going to show you all of my seasoning. Alright, so I have my ginger here. It's a must. And I have my Maggi seasoning. Alright, my salt, my cayenne pepper, also my browning. Alright, can you see? Alright, so I put my turmeric, not much, just a little, with the browning. And I put my cloves and my ginger. You can see my ginger here and my onion. Alright, and my pepper. So all is seasoned. It has been marinated, so I'm just telling you what I use on it. Okay, so I have my pot over there ready, so I'm going to show you how I'm just going to brown stew my chicken, my pork. Yes, I'm just going to brown stew it. Alright, so watch as I go. Okay, so my pot is there waiting on me. Alright, so my pot is all ready, my subscribers and viewers. So I'm going to put in my brown stew pork. Alright, do you eat pork? Alright, you can see, I'm going to just put everything in. Alright, so all that is there. So this is for my Sunday dinner. You see? Alright, so I'm going to give it a little color before I cover it. Okay? So watch as I go. Alright, and how is it going so far with you? I hope all is well. Alright then. Put some corn in there. Alright. I took a little water in it. See? Alright, you can see. You can see it's getting a little color. Alright, so I'm going to stay there and cook. Alright, this is how I do my brown stew pork. And remember guys, always put ginger in it. And I have 2 little corns, so I said let me just put them in it and cook. So watch as I go. I'm getting my season ready for my pork. Alright, let me know where you're watching from, and let me know if you eat pork and how do you cook your pork. If you have other ways that you can cook your pork, let me know. Brown stew, bake. Let me know other ways that you can do your pork. And you can let me know something that you want me to cook. I'll cook it. Okay? Alright. So do you like my videos? Is there more room for improvement? Let me know if there's room for improvement. As a matter of fact, there's more room for improvement. Alright? Alright. Thank you for viewing my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, guys. Love you. Alright. So this is my season here. And over here, I have some beans. And this is the bean here. I bought at the store. Alright. And as I do, I wash my beans after I pour them from my tin. I wash my beans. Do you do that, guys? Let me know. My viewers and my subscribers, let me know if you wash your bean. I always wash my bean. So I'm going to put my seasoning now because my pork is almost there. Alright, you can see my pot now. I'm going to put my beans in. Alright. My seasoning also. And as I say, you put whatever seasoning you want. And remember guys, put ginger. Always put ginger in your meats. Or whatever you're cooking, put a piece of ginger. Alright? So watch as I go. Let him go to stay there. And then next time you see me, it will be a finished product. Alright? This is my finished pork and bean. Alright? You can try it in your kitchen and let me know how it tastes. But mine is tasting good. Do you want some? Pork and bean. And I dropped 4 pieces of corn in it. Okay? So you can try it and let me know how it tastes. And tell me where you're watching from. And do you love my pot here? Alright. God bless you. Love you, my viewers and my subscribers. Make a comment, please. Thank you. It doesn't matter what, make a comment. Is there any room for improvement? Just let me know. Alright? Thank you very much. Blessing every time. Hi, my viewers and subscribers. It's fun time. Fun time today. Alright, I spent a little 5 or 6 minutes with you today. Tell you about His goodness. So it's fun time today. Here I have an orange. Alright. I have a banana, ripe banana. Also, I have an apple, which has been washed already. Just a few questions I want to ask you. This banana here, how do you peel your banana? It's just fun time, nothing serious, just fun time. How do you peel your banana? Alright, do you start peel it from here? Do you peel a banana like this? Or do you peel it from here? With your hands, not with a knife, with your hands. Say from here. How do you peel your bananas? It's just fun time. Alright. My way of peeling the banana is from here. But when you travel to different places, I realize that some they peel the bananas from here at the bottom. So I always ask the question, why do you peel your bananas from here? Your ripe banana from here. They said this part is to hold the banana like this, and then you start to peel it like this, coming down. Right, guys? I've never heard of that before. So it just come in my mind to ask you, where do you start peel your banana from? But to me, where do you think you start peeling your banana from? Because growing up, we peel our bananas from here. So let me know in your comment where you start peeling a banana from. Because my husband, he peel the banana from here. And he hold it like this, like an angle, and said, this is the way. I see other people peeling their bananas also from this way. But my right way of peeling the banana growing up is this way. Alright? Okay? Right. It's just fun time we're having. I just wanted to make a comment and tell me how you peel your bananas. Alright? Is it from here or is it from here? And what's the purpose for this part of the banana? Is it to hold the banana? Fun time again. Alright. I have an orange here now too. Where do you start peeling your orange from? Do you peel it from the stem or do you peel it from the bottom? Alright? Let me know where you start peeling the banana with your orange from. Sorry, orange from. Well, to me, I peel my orange from here, go down to the bottom. But some people start it from here and goes up to the top. Alright, when I peel it from the top, I cut mine from here. This is my top part. I always cut it. And I don't cut my orange at the middle here. I just cut it at the top like this. Alright? I cut it from the top. And you know where I start eating my orange from? The top. the top? Where do you start eating your orange from? And where do you start to peel your orange from? So I start eating from here, while I notice while in some places people start peeling theirs, or some people they start peeling the orange from the bottom and they start to eat from the bottom. All right, but I like to eat the fresher part first, and then it goes down to the sweeter part. All right, so let me know in the comment, where do you start peeling the orange from? Is it at the top or is it at the bottom? And where you start eating your orange from? All right, the sweeter part or the fresher part? Just let me know where you start eating from. All right, so do you cut your orange in half like this, or do you cut it at the top? All right, maybe you're eating the orange and somebody asks you, could I have a piece of your orange? Which part would you give to the person? The top part or the bottom part? Just let me know, where would you give the person that asks you for the orange? All right, could I have a piece of your orange? Would you cut the orange in half and give them just a little part at the top? Or would you cut just a little piece and give them? Let me know. If a person asks, where would you give them? Top part, bottom part, sweeter part, fresher part? Just let me know in the comments. All right, and tell me where you're watching from, and make a comment about the orange. Okay, make a comment. All right, so as for me, I start from here, I peel it from here, and I don't not normally cut my orange in half. I cut it like right here. All right, that's where I cut my orange. But if somebody asks for a piece of the orange, even at home or wherever, most likely it would be at home, somebody say, could I have a piece of the orange? I just cut it in half. All right, and give it to them. Okay, thanks for watching. All right, one more, the apple. Let me know now. This is this American apple, so let me know now. Do you eat apple? Just fun time, just having fun time. All right, one more question. Do you peel your apple when you're eating it, or do you eat your apple in the skin? Just let me know. Where you eat if you peel your apple. Well, let me tell you now, for me, I always peel my apple. If I'm blending apple, I just wash it, blend it in the skin. And if I'm eating it, I peel it. I always peel my apple. All right, one more question. Do you scrape your apple, or do you put it normally in water there's some like a sheen, I don't remember the name of it. Can somebody tell me the little thing? They always put something on the apple. Do you scrape it off, or do you blend it like that, or do you peel it? All right, and I understand that you can put it in water and soak and get off those sheen that they put on the apple. All right, so tell me how you eat your apple. Okay, so it's just a fun time for us today. All right, apple, banana, and orange. All right, so this is my fun time with you, and I'm coming up for more fun time. Do you want my apple? Do you want my orange? Or my banana? Tell me which one of them you want. Or which one do you eat? Or which one of them do you love the most? All right, all three is good, but which one of these do you love the most? All right, I love all three, and fruits are good. So tell me where you're watching. Tell me how you peel your banana. Tell me if you peel your apple, and how do you peel your orange? Starting from the bottom or starting from the top? All right, it's just fun times. We have to have fun, right? Fun times all the while. All right, love you guys. Coming up with another fun times. All right, you take care. Have a good day.